Good morning everyone, so welcome back again to my channel. So for today's topic is all about angle of depression. So first, we're going to determine what is the angle of depression. So the angle of depression is a form when the observer is higher than the object he or she is looking at. When observers looks at an object that is situated at a distance lower than the observer, an angle is formed below the horizontal line drawn the level of the eye of the observer, and line joining object with the observer's eye. So this is the formula in the getting the angle of depression. So the angle of depression is when the observer is higher than the object. So the angle of depression there is for example, this is the object and this is the observer. So this is his eye, side of his eye. So this is the angle of depression. So let's go back to our topic. Go back to discussion. So this is the formula of the angle of depression. So this one. So when the angle of elevation, if the two sides are right triangle are known, then the formula for the angle of depression is given as below. So tangent theta is equal to opposite side over the adjacent side, or theta is equal to tangent, the opposite of tangent, then opposite side over adjacent side. See the below diagram where theta is angle of inclination, such as angle A, B, and O are the angle of elevation, and angle O is the angle of depression. So for example, the angle of depression of the vehicle from the top of the tower on the ground is 60 if the vehicle is away from the building at a distance of 100 meters. So find the height of the tower. So our solution is in the above figure. So this one, this example. So we're going to, let's say R is the vehicle, P and Q is the height of the tower, R and Q is the distance between the height between the tower and the vehicle, and P and S is the line of sight. So given the angle of depression is equal to angle SRP is equal to 60 degrees, so the angle of elevation is angle QRP is equal to angle of depression. So that angle SPR is equal to 60 degrees. So now in right triangle PQR, so the QR there is 100 meters and the R is 60 degrees. So PQ is equal to H times IN times M. So let the R is equal to theta, which is 60 degrees. We know that tangent theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. So replace the theta with 60 degrees. So on the PQ and RQ is equal to H, or height, over 100, which is the distance. So tangent theta is equal to square root of 3. Square root of 3 is equal to H over 100. Then cross multiply, we have H times tangent square root of 3 times 100. So the height there is 173.20 meters. The height of the tower is 173.20 meters. So next example, The angle of depression of the stone from the top of the tower on the ground is 45 degrees. If the stone is away from the building, the distance of 120 meters, find the height of the tower. The solution. So let's say again, the R is the stone, PQ is the height of the tower, RQ rather is the distance between the tower and the stone, P is the line of the sight. So given the angle of depression, which is angle SPR, is equal to 45. As we know, angle of elevation is the angle QRP is equal to angle of depression, which is angle SPR, which is 45 degrees. So now, in the right angle PQR, we know that QR is equal to 120 meters and angle R is the 45 degrees. So PQ is equal to height. So let angle R is equal to theta, which is 45 degrees. We know that the tangent is opposite side over adjacent side. Hence, tangent 45 degrees is equal to PQ and over QR, which is H over 120. So, on cross multiply, we can get the H is equal to 120 times tangent 45. So, tangent 45 is equal to 1. Therefore, the height or H is 120 meters, which is the height of the tower. So, that's all, guys. That's it. So, it's easy to get the angle of elevation and the height of the object height using the angle of depression.